got ourselves the tool grid from Olsa Tools. Have a look. Ooh. There we go. There's the first one. And these come in a 2-pack, so look at that. All right. Look at this. We got this size right here. I believe these ones are going to be for the medium wrenches. Well, these ones are going to be for the large wrenches. As you can see, large wrenches are just going to sit in there. So small, kind of looks like the medium, right? Medium, you can just see the opening is just a little thicker, or a little bit wider, I should say, than the small. That's the difference. There's the grid. There's all the components. Now let's get it put in those drawers. I suspected it's just slightly too long the one way. It's too long this way. So we're just going to have to cut a little section out. Let's see what the best way is going to be and move on from there. Definitely seemed like the cutoff wheel was a ticket. Cut it, sliced right through that like a hot knife through butter. It's nicely in here. Let's start setting this thing up. I think first things first, we're going to start by organizing these small guys. So dump this out. So you're gonna need 2 per wrench. So let's go. Nope, a little bit too close. Back it up just. So I just put it up nice and close like that. Perfect, look at that. Wrench sits nicely in there. I think I can just snug them right up to each other. I think that'll work nice. There we go. This is so cool. And you can get all different kind of pieces. You can also get stuff for your ratchets, for your extensions. So the world is your oyster when it comes to customization. All right. All right, so here let's do some large ones. Show you how easy these things fit in here. All right, so you'll see there's just little alignment holes. Slide them in here like this, and then just gonna place a wrench on there. Just here. Down a peg. So here's a little trick, guys. I noticed with these style of wrenches, you can actually flip this guy around and it holds this style just a little bit better. You can just play around with it and see what works best. Here's a before look of my toolbox drawers. The big reveal. There we go. As you can see, everything organizes up so nicely. And you can even put some sideways like that, right? So now I actually got extra room. And then this drawer, this was kind of just my random wrenches for who knows what. Sometimes you just need random stuff. So see my big wrenches there, all my little random thin wrenches. Same with, these were just Mopar wrenches. So this is kind of my spare set. So if I ever need to modify a wrench, so these ones were maybe a little bit weirdly shaped to put in a holder, but I guess I could have. But there's 2 wrenches that I just chose not to put in holders. These ones are all in, all my little stubbies. Oh, this one is sitting properly. There we go. I never thought little pieces of plastic would make me so happy. Those drawers have been bugging me for a long time, so now I'll be able to be productive out of those drawers again. I think next is going to be having to do something with this whole area. I have to see which grid is going to work best and with the attachments, because that'd be sweet to get this all organized a little bit better than that. All right, everybody, have a great day.